Hello everyone, welcome to my course Web3 Hacking with Python. So in this video we are discuss about why Python scripting is the best for Web3 hacking. So Web3 hacking is the art of exploring vulnerability in decentralized applications, smart contract and blockchain system. Why is Python considered one of the best language for Web3 hacking? Let's break it down. So first, Power Python is known for its simplicity and readability. You don't need to write a complex code to achieve the powerful result. And second is that Python has an extensive ecosystem of Web3 libraries like Web3.py, Brownies, and so that make it easy to connect to Ethereum node, interact with the smart contract, and write the custom tests for vulnerabilities. So in the Web3 industry, automation is the key, and Python make at this. So whether you are automate the smart contract interaction, fast testing, penetration testing, or simulate the attack, Python can be automate vulnerability check using the Python robust testing framework. And finally, Python was open source community. It is a You will access all the latest tool, plugin, and support whether you are working on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or any EVM compatible network. Python's versatility ensure you are always ready. So, if you are looking to become a Web3 hacker, Python is go-to language. It is simple, powerful, and supported by a massive Web3 ecosystem. Make it perfect choice for hacking the wall of decentralized application. So this is the end of this video, and I am going to see you in next video. Bye bye.